So today it was used to get some audience feedback from our theatre production.
So we would see a scene played out in front of us with actors, and it would stop and they'd be like, right, what do you think?
And the Meetoo was used to see the consequences of the action, so it was enabling the participation of the audience without us having to kind of directly get them to shout out and things.
And then they can choose on Meetoo which direction the play should go in.
So the audience gave us direct answers to the situations that were going on.
It's completely changed lectures for me, because if you're someone who doesn't like putting your hand up or interacting with inside a lecture hall with loads of people in front of you, it's really nice to be able to send your comments out and you can be anonymous and nobody's going to see who's wrote that.
We're all different. Some people are extroverted and some people are introverted, and to have something that can make sure everyone's voice is heard it's very much useful in lectures.
It gives people an opportunity who wouldn't necessarily talk out loud to speak, and also to put forward their suggestions without having to raise attention to themselves, which I know some people struggle with, so it's kind of giving the quieter people a voice.
I think everybody kind of nowadays gets distracted by their phones in lectures and things, so it actually kind of sets up their phone to be engaged in the lecture as it is.
We live in a generation with very short attention spans, so Meetoo enables students to participate really, really regularly, and it's inclusive. Every person who's there will have a phone or an iPad or a laptop which they can log into Meetoo on and engage that way. I think I like the fact that you can see the results at the end.
When you can do the free text at any point, so it gives people an opportunity to comment.
The feature of liking the comments is amazing, because then you can see the ones that are the best at the top and the most relevant.
Just representing the statistics in terms of like the pie charts or the graphs, it just gives a really good understanding of what the demographic is thinking in the room.
It's just handy and really convenient, especially if you're not one to speak out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, definitely.
It's a great way of engaging peoples who do speak a lot and peoples who don't speak a lot.
I've got a lot of friends who maybe aren't as confident speaking publicly, maybe they're a little bit introverted, or maybe they just want to explore an idea and not have that planted on them.
It's inclusive of everyone and everyone can have their say.
It makes the lectures more engaging because you're paying attention more, because you know you're going to get a question directly asked to you and you're going to get the feedback on that.
It's a really innovative way of making sure that participation is equal across the thing, and it's not just a few people having a few things to say, it's everyone.